So in this video, now we'll try to learn how to find details of those keys where value is greater than 2 or greater than anything, or might be equals to also if you need to check in a dictionary. So now I will move to Visual Studio and I will try to create one dictionary. Okay. So now, oh, so, oh no. Okay. A colon 1 comma. And now I will try to copy and paste so that we can do in faster way. Okay. Now I will go with B, C, D, and E. Okay, let's make this one 14, this one has 10, this one has 2, and this one has, I can make it 0. Okay, so now if I go and try to print this dictionary, okay, print of D, and if I run this, now you can see I got it, all those dictionary value here. Okay, so now there are different way to do that. So first I will explain you simple way. So we can use that for loop. So for key, and I will use that values. Okay, in d dot items. Okay, then it's going to loop that on key and values, and both will get in one variable in key and other in values in value variable. So now what I need to do, if I wanted to check if value, okay, greater than or equals to 2, okay, then I wanted to print it. Okay, print that key comma value. Okay, this one greater than equals to, no space, so here greater than equals to 2. So now if I go ahead and run it, so now you can see this is our value and it's coming for C, D and E. Okay, where all we have greater values. So now what I can do, I will comment it out this one. In place of writing in multiple line, we can do in just one single line. And what I can do, I can put that D1 equals to, okay. And now we can first put that. So what I can do, I will put it in one key and value. Again, we can use it. Okay. And then for key comma value in d dot items, items. Okay. And now what I need to do, I need to check if value greater than or equals to 2. Okay, and we can put all of them in one, and then I will put in dictionary. Okay, so now what I'm doing, first similar this one, I'm just writing in one line a statement and then putting in dictionary. And then if I go ahead and run this one, so now you can see, oh sorry, I print D, we need to print D1. So now I will close this. So now you can see that C, D and E, it's printed. Both of them have been greater than and equals to 2. So in this way, we can go ahead and check that which value we wanted to compare. I hope you like this video. Thank you.